Bonjour à tous. I am Professor Shalini going to teach you today articles in French. Articles are called as les articles in French. We have two types of articles in French language, as you can see in this slide. First one is défini and second one is indéfini. Défini means definite articles, indéfini means indefinite articles. As we know, we have three articles in English, which are a, an, and the. The same articles we have in French as well, but we divide them in two parts, défini and indéfini. Now, let's learn what are the difference between défini and indéfini and how we can use them. Okay, in this slide, we have indefinite articles, which is les articles indéfinis in French. And in indefinite articles, we have three types of articles, three forms of articles, I would say. First is un, une is second, and our third one is they. As you can see, the meaning of un and une is a or an, and they means is some. Now meanings are clear, but how we can use them? Un is used before a masculine singular noun. For example, un garçon. Garçon word we use for boy. Boy noun is a masculine noun in French. That's why we are using un before this. Same way, une is used before a feminine singular noun. For example, une fille. Fille means girl, and this is a feminine singular noun, so we are using une before that. And they is used before the plural nouns. Whether the noun is masculine or plural, it doesn't matter here. If your noun is plural, so we will use they before that, which means some boys. Now, the question is how we can differentiate which verb is masculine or which verb is feminine, or you can say where we can use a before the nouns or une before the nouns. As if you will compare this from the English language, like you were using the articles a or article n according to the consonant and vowel, same way we use articles in French language according to the gender of the noun. As I've told you many times in my previous lectures, in French language, each and every noun has gender. Some nouns are masculine and some nouns are feminine. And this, which noun is masculine or which noun is feminine, this we have to learn. Now, let's learn some more examples and new vocabulary. Like you can see, the first two examples are same. Un garçon, a boy. Une fille means a girl. Now third one is un tableau. A tableau means a board. But we have one more meaning of tableau word, which is a bench. And the both nouns are masculine in French. Our next example is une fleur. Fleur means a flower, and it is feminine noun, so we are using une before that. Next is une école, means a school. A chaperon means a cap. A ballon means a ball. Ballon word we can use for balloon also, and the same way they both are masculine in French. A stylo means a pen. A taille crayon means a sharpener. A livre means a book. Unthrews means a pencil box. Uneraser means an eraser. Sorry, ungomme means an eraser. A cartable means a school bag. This word cartable we use only for the school bags, not for other bags. If you are talking about other bag like handbag or something, so we can use sac word for that. And sac is also masculine noun. Une règle is a ruler. A crayon is a pencil. And the last one is a cahier, which is used for notebook. Now next category in articles is les articles définis, which means is definite articles. In this we have four forms of article: le, la, l'apostrophe and les. Meaning of all four is the in English, and as we were using indefinite article according to the gender of the noun, same way we use these articles. Now let's see how we can use it. Les articles définis, the definite articles are le, la, l'apostrophe and les. La comes before a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. If your noun is masculine and given in the singular form, so we will use le before that. For example, like you want to say the table, so table is a feminine noun, so we will use la table for that. The second one is la comes before feminine singular noun beginning with a consonant, like we were using indefinite article according to the gender of the nouns. Now l'apostrophe we use only before the singular nouns which is starting with a vowel. How we can differentiate that? I'll tell you in the next slide. Les comes before all plural nouns. For example, if your noun is given in the plural form, so we will use les before that. Same way, gender doesn't matter whether it is masculine or feminine. The same rule we follow with the third point, l'apostrophe. In l'apostrophe, whenever you are using with the singular vowel beginning a noun, in that case also gender doesn't matter. And fifth point says no article is used before proper name of person. For example, say Pierre. In this example, Pierre is a name of the person, so we are not using any article before this. Now, let's learn how we can use it. As you can see in this slide, we have an exercise in which you have to segregate given nouns according to their gender and write in respective columns. So first of all, I'll tell you the word pronunciation. Vi, voyage, consort, plein, metron, restaurant, école, carte, lawn, étudiant, salutation, oasis, culture, hotel. Now these nouns you have to segregate according to their genders and singular and plural forms. Now, for example, the first word is ville, which means is city or town. So this noun is feminine in French language. So this should become in the second column, means la ville. Second example is voyage, which means is to travel. So you must have heard that expression, bon voyage. Bon voyage is a French expression which we use for happy journey. So same way, this word we have to see for the singular and plural form and the gender of the noun. This word is the masculine noun, but given in the plural form. So we will write in the fourth column. One more example I want to give of the L apostrophe. This école word is feminine noun in French, but this is starting with the vowel. As you know, in French language, we have 7 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are same as English, and the 2 more are there in French, which are H and Y. So if any noun is starting with these vowels and you are using the articles before that, definite articles specifically, so in that case we have to put it in the third column because the first letter is vowel and we have to use L apostrophe before that. So same way you have to segregate all rest of the nouns and write in the respective columns. The practice exercises and the listening exercises I'll upload in your Google Classrooms, which will help you to understand the use of the articles. And in the next session, we will learn how we can use these articles with the other nouns in the phrases. Merci class. A bientôt.